Hello, my name is TERESA, anak SULANG, and my matrix number is 2026754541.
Hi, my name is ELIZEE, anak MUKONG. My student ID is 2026598665.
Assalamualaikum. My name is RASHIDAH binti SERUJI and my student ID is 2026940393.
Assalamualaikum. My name is FARISHA binti OTHMAN and my matric number was 2026726135.
Okay. The background of the business for WRK Learning Development PLT. The type of business is partnership and located at two different places, which is the main branch is at Jalan Petrajaya, Kuching, Sarawak, and the other one is at Sabah Satellite Branch at Jalan Riverson, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. The date of commencement for WRK Learning is on 11 September 2017. And for the business activity is for leadership training, communication skills, team building programs, customer service training, and personal development workshop. The vision of WRK Learning is empowering power, creating lasting impact, and while the mission is saying design and develop impactful training programs that equip individuals and teams with the competencies, mindset, and confidence to excel by combining experiential learning, practical tools, and coaching to drive meaningful transformation, enhance performance, and support long-term organizational success. Okay, for the WRK Learning is development is a Sarawak-based training provider company established on 2018 by three passionate individuals committed to transforming the training and learning landscape of Sarawak. The chief founder is Encik Muhammad Widya bin Iskandar, Ahmad Rusdi bin Shamsuddin, and Tuan Haji Khairul Anwar bin Sazali. They founded on the belief that local talent deserve access to world-class training programs tailored to the needs and culture of the region. Okay. Since inception, with a combined team experience of over 30 years, they have grown as a trusted partner in learning and development through a wide range of training programs, coaching sessions, workshops, and consultations to over 40 organizations, among others Premier Office of Sarawak and various ministries and departments of Sarawak governments like Petros, Sarawak Pecem, Petronas Carigali, Sarawak Media Group, Lembaga Asal, and so on. WRK Learning are known for designing and delivering impactful, engaging, and result-driven programs. Some of its most sought-after signature programs such as high-impact performing team, colored brand communication, emotional drive, and the art of leading people, leadership for emerging and mid-level leaders. With a forward-thinking team and commitment to excellence, WRK
Business characteristic for WRK Learning Development PLT is partnership because the number of partners. WRK Learning Development PLT is a company at Kuching. It's a best training center in Sarawak founded by three individuals, Their passionate, diverse team of young enthusiasts is dedicated to helping people unlock their potential and create a positive impact on the world. Other than that, WRK learning is a mutual contribution. There are shared resources such as capital, skills, and effort. WRK learning's development is mutual contribution because partners contribute capital, property, skill, or labor to a common pool to achieve the business goal. Next, share profit and loss, which is financial outcome dividends per agreement. Income and liabilities are dividends according to a pre-agreed ratio outlined in the partnership agreement. If there is no explicit agreement, profit and loss are typically shared equally. Last but not least, WRK learning is a joint ownership and control because partners collectively own and manage the business.
WRK Learning Development have asset like office table and chair are used for daily office work and provide comfort for employee and trainer. Property, they have a shop lot building is a long-term asset used as the company, business and training center. Office equipment, they have aircon, camera and portable speaker help support training activity and improve the learning environment. And then they have training equipment and material, like example HRE set, safety equipment and training material are used for practical activities and experiential learning programs. And then they have learning material like the soft skill manual is used as a guide for teaching communication, leadership, and teamwork skill.
Liabilities. Based on WRK business activities such as corporate training, workshop, coaching, HRD co-clinical programs, trainers, and office operation, these are their company liabilities. Number 1, accounts payable. Accounts payable means the bills that WRK needs to pay. This one is current liabilities. For example, trainers or facilitators, venue providers, printing suppliers, marketing agency. Number 2, accrued expenses. This one is current liabilities too, and it's mean expenses that a business has already owed but has not paid yet and has not received the bill yet. For example, staff salaries, EPF or social contribution, trainers fees, and utilities. The third one are deferred revenue, which is its mean WRK received the money first, but the service are not given yet. Clients may pay in advance for training programs that have not yet been conducted. For example, corporate workshops, annual training conducts, HRD Corp funds programs, like that. Number 4, loans or financings. WRK company borrowed money from the bank that needs to be repaid back. For example, business loans, vehicle hire purchase, equipment financing. Number 5, rental obligations. The duty of WRK to pay rent according to the rental agreement.
Classification of business items. Capital. So, what is this capital in classification of business item? Capital is the total financial and physical resource used to fund daily operation, growth, and investment. It is broadly classified into 3 main operational categories such as working, equity, and debt, and 2 main physical which is asset group on the balance sheet, fixed and current. For the WRK learning, there are three items in a capital, which is the number one is bank account and cash account. WRK learning shareholder brought into 20,000 cash into the business and opened a current account at Hong Leong Bank for business. The second one is a furniture account. WRK learning is buy table and chairs are brought into business for the seminar or training. Other than that, they are buying the speaker and microphone for business. The last one is transport account, which is car and bus brought into the business.
Okay, the classification of business item for WRK learning development is start from revenue. The revenue created when there is a stream of economic benefits, normally money moved into the company. The money received from the sale of goods. It receives interest, royalty, dividends, commissions, government grants, franchise fee, and others. Okay, for the revenue, WRK learning on quarter and April 2026, the total is RM 166 ringgit and 20, 78% of targeted sales. The total of the training is 10 of it, and no training on March and May. The sales target from January to March is RM 250,000, and the sale achieved is RM 196 ringgit and 20. The percentage achieved is 78%, while the shortfall is RM 53,980. For the sale target April to June is same, RM 250,000, while the sale achieved is RM 98,836, and the percentage achieved is 40%, while the shortfall is RM 150,166.
Expenses. For training companies, expenses are usually heavily people and operation focused. Number one, major operating expenses, trainer and facilitators fee. This one is one of the biggest costs for WRK. WRK learning use multiple trainers and facilitators for leadership, communication, customer service, and team building programs. Number two, staff salaries. This one including admin staff, sales and marketing, program coordinates, and HR staff. Number three, marketing and promotion. For example, social media and advertising, website maintenance, corporate branding, and event promotion. Their linking activities suggest ongoing marketing and branding efforts. Number four, office rental and utilities. For example, office rents, electricity, internet, and phone bill. Number five, training materials. This one is, for example, printing manuals, workbook, stationery, and training skills. Number six, venue and event costs. If programs are conducted externally, WRK must pay for hotel meetings room, food and beverage, and team building venue rental. Transaction recording process. Transaction recording process refers to the step used to identify, analyze, record, and summarize business transactions in the accounting system. WRK having a 9 transaction recording process, which is the first one, identify the transaction. They will determine whether an event is a financial transaction. For example, receive payment from client, pay trainers or facilitator, purchase office supplies, pay office rent, and utilities. Second one is collect source document. Gather evidence such as invoice, receipts, bank statement, or purchase orders. The third one, analyze accounts involved. WRK company will decide which accounts are affected, whether each account increase or decrease, apply debit and credit. The fourth one is record journal entry. They will enter the transaction in the general journal using double entry bookkeeping. Number 5, post to the ledger. Transfer journal entries to individual ledger's account. Number 6, prepare a trial balance. They will check that total debits equal to total credit. Number 7, make adjusting entries. WRK will record accrued expenses, depreciation, prepared items, and Number 8, prepare financial statement. For example, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Number 9, close temporary accounts. Close revenue and expense accounts at the end of the accounting period.
WRK learning development have strengths and weaknesses. Number 1 is strong experiential learning. WRK learning development use interactive activity, simulation, and technique. As a result, participants are more engaged, remember information better, and can apply the skill in real situation. Number 2 is specialized in soft skill training. The company focus on important workplace skills such as communication, leadership, teamwork, and customer service. The skills are highly important in modern workplace because they improve employee perform cooperation and customer relationship. Number 3 is HRD Corp Register. Company can claim training costs through HRD Corp, which increases business opportunity, improve credibility, and attract more corporate clients. Number 4 is strong local understanding, like being based in Kuching help WRK understand local culture and business environment and government expectation in Sarawak. This help them provide training programs that are more suitable for local organization and agency. Number 5 is good branding in Sabah and Sarawak. WRK is well known for leadership and team building training in East Malaysia, especially in leadership training, communication profiling, and team building activity. Strong branding help the company attract more clients and build customer trust. The weaknesses is smaller company size because WRK may have limited trainer and resource compared to large national training company. Number 2 is limited technical training because the company mainly focus on soft skill and offer fewer technical or digital program. This may limit opportunities in industry that require the technical certification or specialized skill training. Number 3 is limited trainer information. This is less public information about trainer qualification and certifications on its website. This may reduce transparency and affect customer confidence. Number 4 is depend on experiential learning. Some participants may prefer more theory-based or online learning methods. This could limit WRK flexibility in different training environments. Number 5 is limited digital presence. The company online platform and digital marketing are still developing, which may limit market reach outside East Malaysia and affect opportunities for online training service.